In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stash changes in GitHub Desktop. First, let's open GitHub Desktop and review the uncommitted change. Go ahead and open GitHub Desktop from the Windows Start menu and wait for it to fully load. If Current Repository does not show the prepared repository, click Current Repository in the top left corner of the window. From the list that appears, click your prepared repository. In this example, the repository is called stash-demo. Now, click Changes in the left sidebar. Take a moment to confirm that the saved README edit appears in the Changes list and that its draft line appears in the diff panel on the right. Next, let's stash all current changes. Right-click the changed files header at the top of the Changes list. On the line showing one changed file, a context menu will appear. From that menu, click Stash All Changes. Wait a moment for the changed files list to clear and for the Stash Changes entry to appear in the left sidebar. Now, let's confirm the stash was created. Click Stash Changes in the left sidebar. Confirm that the README edit appears under Stash Changes and that the Restore and Discard buttons are visible on the right side of the panel. Additionally, you can also restore the stash changes if you want to bring them back into your working files. Click Stash Changes in the left sidebar if it is not already selected. Then click Restore to the right of the sidebar under the Stashed Changes heading. After that, click Changes in the left sidebar to return to your working file view. Confirm that the README edit is back in the Changes list and that its draft line is once again visible in the diff panel. At this point, the uncommitted edit is no longer sitting in the working changes list, and GitHub Desktop shows it under Stash Changes when you choose to keep it stashed. The change is stored locally without a commit, and it can be restored later whenever you are ready to continue working on it. And that is the complete process for stashing changes in GitHub Desktop. You have now reviewed the uncommitted edit, moved it onto the temporary shelf using Stash All Changes, verified that it was safely saved under Stash Changes, and learned how to restore it back into your working files whenever you need to pick up where you left off. Congratulations, you have successfully stashed and restored your changes.